Meet Ebo, your cat's new best friend. Ebo is a smart robot that will become a part of your family. Whether at home or away, Ebo gives you peace of mind that your cat is happy, healthy, and engaged. Use the app to control Ebo. See your cat through a live stream direct to your phone. And also record crystal clear 1080p video to create and share videos of your cat. Ebo is also made from cat-friendly materials, so you never have to worry about your cat touching any of Ebo's surfaces. Ebo is also pretty smart. It can not only do this, but it can also do this.
Hey, buddy.
And just like your cat, Ebo always lands on its feet. Ebo also has some pretty nifty dance moves. Use the app to edit videos, to share to social media, and create sweet GIFs. Also combined with the Ebo collar, use the app to track your cat's steps. Log their steps each day and see your cat's activity compared to global averages. Did we mention Ebo is smart? Ebo has built-in sensors for obstacle avoidance to ensure Ebo doesn't need to take any unnecessary trips to the vet. Can't get to your phone to play? Set the time you want Ebo to keep your furry friend company, and once playtime arrives, Ebo will automatically leave its dock. Ebo will do a 360-degree scan of its area, ensuring there's enough room to play. And then, well, let the good times roll. Does Ebo have style? Well, you tell me. Ebo also purrs rather than roars, so playtime never has to intrude on your favorite TV show or movie. And when playtime is over, Ebo has a return to home function, so it can recharge and be ready to play when your cat is. Ebo, your cat's new best friend.
My kitty Dawn is a curious little furball. She climbs, runs, and snuggles. They're her favorite things to do. She enjoys having fun all around the apartment, but with limited space, floor-standing cat furniture is out of the question. I recently discovered the award-winning Hangin Cat Condo by K&H Manufacturing. It's the answer to all of my cat's mischievous little desires. As its name suggests, the Hangin Cat Condo hangs on virtually any door, thus freeing up valuable floor space. Just unpack it and hang it on your door using the enclosed brackets and adjust it to fit snug and stable. With multiple connected levels, your cat will hop in and explore up and down each floor, choosing which levels are best for surveillance and which are best for nodding off. The K&H Hangin Cat Condo. Fun for cats, no wasted floor space, super easy installation, multiple levels for sleep and play. Now that's an idea to wrap your paws around.
Roll and clean. Used by more than 1 million cats today, this is the Roll and Clean self-cleaning cat litter box. Its simple yet smart design makes cleaning your cat's litter box easy. All you have to do is roll it over and you're pretty much done. To use the Roll and Clean self-cleaning litter box, slide off the tabs and fill it up to the line measurements inside the box with clumping cat litter. Then just give your cat some time. For now to demonstrate, we'll use water. The Roll and Clean litter box has a grill inside that catches clumped waste. When you roll the box onto its top, the waste is caught while the clean litter passes through the grill, getting rid of the bad stuff and keeping the good stuff. You may wish to give it a bit of a counter roll back. When you roll it back down, the waste goes into the pull-out tray while the clean litter covers the bottom. You'll see your litter box is level with cat litter, clean and ready to use again. Now if only your cat could clean its litter box.
Equipping your adventurous cat for the great outdoors. Hi, Meg here with TTPM, taking you and your pet on a walk with RC Pet's Adventure Kitty Harness. Now, although this is being shown on our dog model, this is actually a cat harness, so please use your imaginations. The Adventure Kitty Harness will keep your kitty safe and comfortable when walking or hiking. No more having to use a small dog harness on your cat. This harness was designed specifically for felines. With its air mesh fabric that allows for great breathability and comfort for its wearer, it also has a reflective binding for those nighttime wanderers. And with its adjustable neck and waist webbing, it provides a secure fit that prevents cats from wiggling out of the safety of the harness. And with a variety of colors and sizes, your cat will be safe yet stylish. So the RC Pets harness with its 6-foot-long leash gives you the freedom to take your mini Magellan outdoors, while also giving you the peace of mind that you, as a pet parent, have done everything you can to keep them safe and comfortable.